Let me share with you a real case that happened recently in our Alucobond panel project. On a building installed with Alucobond panels in Mongolia, a war was born. The fire was caused by the illegal use of electric welding by the workers on the top floor. After the installation of Alucobond panels, the protective film was not peeled off in time, or only half of the protective film was removed. When the worker was doing electric welding, the spark floated along the wind to the protective film. Thus, the protective film was ignited instantly, and then the fire spread and bonded to the Alucobond panels. The most important is that they used non-fireproof Alucobond panels. So here I want to remind you that if sparks often appear around your construction environment, first, please be sure to peel off the protective film as soon as possible. Second, please use fireproof Alucobond panels because only fireproof panels will not burn after meeting sparks.